Okay, in today's daily practice problem, we will be practicing taking the first and second differences. So for this problem, imagine that you've collected some time and distance data um, of another ball. And this time, we have a ball that is rolling down a ramp. And you have, um, or sorry, let's say we have a ball rolling up a ramp, and you've collected data on how far that ball has gone up the ramp, um, and you've decided X or D is in the ramp's direction. Okay, so then you have your 0 point right here, and you've collected time data for 10 seconds. And so let me just indicate, this T here is time. The D is your distance data. And then you are meant to calculate the first difference and the second difference. Then, if that was, too easy, or if you want a challenge, what you can do is if you would graph on the x-axis time, and on the y-axis you can put distance, and then do a second graph with time and first difference, and do a third graph with time and second difference. Okay. Again, the graphs today optional, but we will be getting into that. So if you are looking for a challenge today, go ahead and do that. If you're not looking for a challenge, just take the first and second